The scene opens in a warm, bustling kitchen. The aroma of delicious ingredients fills the air. Meet the Johnson family: mom Emma, dad Michael, son Jake, and daughter Sophie. They're gearing up for a delightful family cooking session.
Good evening, everyone. Today, we're going to have a blast cooking together. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom. What are we making?
The family gathers around the kitchen island, where ingredients and utensils are neatly laid out.
Tonight, we're making homemade pizza. Each of you will have your own mini pizza to customize.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get started.
The family begins the hands-on process of making pizza dough.
I'm the dough master tonight.
That's the spirit, Jake. Let's each take a portion and start rolling.
They knead the dough, creating a playful atmosphere. The family moves on to the topping station, where a variety of ingredients awaits.
Can I put pineapple on my pizza, Mom?
Of course, Sophie. Everyone, grab your favorite toppings. It's a pizza party.
The kitchen becomes a hub of activity as each family member selects their preferred toppings. They move to individual pizza stations, where each family member assembles their personalized pizza.
A little sauce, some cheese, and mushrooms for me.
Extra pepperoni for the win. Pineapple paradise for Sophie.
Beautiful creations, everyone. Now, into the oven they go.
As the pizzas bake, the family engages in light-hearted banter.
Jake, is that a pepperoni smiley face?
You bet, Dad. Pizza artistry at its finest.
The family prepares the dining table, complete with colorful napkins and a cozy atmosphere.
Mom, can we eat in the living room tonight?
Absolutely, Sophie. Let's make it a pizza picnic.
The family gathers around the table, ready to enjoy the fruits of their labor.
To family, laughter, and homemade pizza.
Cheers!
They take their first bites, savoring the delicious flavors. As they eat, the family engages in heartwarming conversations.
How was school today, buddy?
Awesome! We learned about space. Can we make galaxy pizzas next time?
That sounds like a stellar idea, Sophie.
The family savors the simple joy of being together.
I love cooking with you, Mom and Dad. Yeah, it's the best.
It sure is. These moments are what make a house a home.
As dinner winds down, the family contemplates dessert.
Ice cream or homemade cookies for dessert.
Can we have both? Definitely both.
The family wraps up their delightful dinner, sharing laughter and creating lasting memories.
Thank you all for a wonderful evening. Now, who's up for some ice cream and cookies?
We
We
are.
The scene fades out as the family continues their evening filled with love, laughter, and the warmth of togetherness.